there is a cool way to find the outlier using box plot. Box plot, as you know, it classifies the data in box way. Meaning, for example, this is quartile 1, and then you have median quartile 3. So this box is called interquartile range. That is Q3 minus Q1. Whatever the values are there between Q3 minus Q1, it is called interquartile range. So now the subject is how to find the outlier. This is very, very easy. Now you can see that this is an outlier on the upper side and then lower side. Outlier is nothing but unusual point either at upper side or lower side. How to create this one? Let me just duplicate this file and I'm going to create this one here. Let me rename as B, just B, box plot. Okay, so first of all, what I will do, I will just delete this chart also as well, and then let me do that random between. So my random between value is between, let's say 100 to 200, right? So this is expected value, right? For example, 124 is coming and so on, right? So 15 data points. So these are all, if I do that, so probably this may not have any outlier, right? So first select this data, go to insert. In the insert, if you're using web version of Excel, you'll find statistic. In a statistic, you can pick up box and whisker. Just have a pick it up. And now I'm dragging it back to this one. Okay, let me delete all these grids. Now it has given beautiful box plot also as well, right? So this is the value, and then if you wanted to have the values, you can do that at the data levels. You can do that at the data. Okay. So now you have everything. So what if in case that if the value goes down, just for the explanation purpose, maybe I'll give a name called box plot, and then I will use find outlier. Okay. So now I'm trying to invoke the value which is outside the spectrum of 100 to 200. So let me take this value. I will make it here red. Here also I will make it red, and I will invoke the value. So different values I will invoke. Let's see how it is getting detected. So what I said, the definition of outlier is unusual point. Unusual point could be at the upper side or lower side. So now here I'm just giving unusual point could be, now here in 100 to 200, I'm just giving 300, right? Which is outside 199 or 200. You see, so 300 is showing automatically as an outlier, right? Similarly, I'm trying to keep it inside the below 106. Maybe I will give 80 as an example, right? So 80 is still there part of that one. So what I will do, I will just put 30 as an example. So 30 is still is touching, right? It's part of that data spectrum. So then I will give 10. Okay, 10 is an outlier. You can see here 10 is an outlier. And similarly, if I give any very extreme value, super